What's up, YouTube? And today,
Michael, what's going on, dude? Ooh, you're on camera. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
shut up, I'm doing a vlog.
Okay. So, guys, is it a vlog or a blog?
It's a vlog.
Oh, so blog. Today we are. What's a vlog about?
It's science convention. Are you?
Science convention. It's in Genoa. All right, come on. I don't know why I did that. I sound like a squirrel. Did I?
You're acting stupid.
Hey guys, I did that to the camera. So guys, I'm just gonna go.
Yeah, just go to the bathroom, skedaddle.
Okay.
You don't hear what I'm saying.
I don't hear you. I can't hear you.
Alright, guys. This annoying fanboy that came into the camera, he's a nerd, and I like the strict nerds. He's a nerd with science, so I set up a science convention, and I'm gonna spill this weird thingy magic that burns a lot. Oh no, I'm not a nerd like him, so I have no idea what it is, but yeah, we're gonna spill that on the annoying fanboy and then make it hurt a lot, because I could get arrested for a child abuse, and I don't want him to be like, oh, he beat me up, and he doesn't know it's in the thing. So yeah. What is he doing?
Guess I couldn't wait for the time before the science convention. It's gonna be so fun, and yeah, and I'll be one of the main people there because I am a friend of Dr. Green's. I'll be. Oh, dang it!
Wouldn't it be cool if you had superpowers to do that, huh? Who is this creature? He wants out. Hi, little fella. Wait. Sorry, needed a sitter? This must be the annoying fanboy. Well, he'll know that I'm evil if I let his cat go. This is the green sciencey thing that I'm gonna make sure that's gonna spill on the kid.
Hi, I just went to the science convention, and I just saw there's this cool cup. It's all green inside. Do you know, do you know what it is?
No, I wouldn't touch it if I were you.
Why? What happens if it gets on you?
We don't know which is what the dangerous side is.
You still trying to figure it out?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh my! Got me. What happened?
Oh crap!
It
I'm
hurts.
gonna get fired.
It hurts. I feel so bad. Ow.
Hi, Scully. How's your day? How's it living life? Pretty good for me. I like breathing air, drinking water, and I like eating steak.
Hi, Dr. Green. How's your day going?
Great so far, Scully. Hi, Daniel. I'm eating steak right now.
Oh, hey, Michael. I've been pretty good. Okay, yeah. Arm still is a little bit sore, but yeah, I think I've been doing better. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Michael, wait. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, bye. Okay. Alright. I almost told him that now I have super speed, but kind of want to keep it to myself right now.
Okay, bye. Such a nerd.
This is your mission. You see the guy in the picture?
Yes.
You have to stop him.
Stop him?
Yes.
His mission, huh? Stop that guy, huh?
I kind of want to mess around with my powers. Let's go.
Time to go see Speeds. Not bad, Speeds.
How'd you get here?
I teleported.
Ow! Ow! I know. Ow! Stings, doesn't it? Thought so. See your move. See your moves. I heard
You made a big mistake.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Show everyone. It's beautiful.
Get down.
You fool doing that to me.
What do you think? Oh man, I really wish my partner was here right now. That'd be the best.
Guess what? He's not here.
Where'd he go? Just teleported. What the heck?
Didn't expect me here, did you?
Dang, he teleported. Take my suit off. It's been a big day at work. Comes back here, I'm ready. I need to get my partner. Need to call them.
Welcome to Speed's house tour. Knock, knock. No one's home. Let's come in. Turn the light on. And... Oh! He has a TV! 2 Wayne beds! Wayne soap! Another bed! Picture of Ralph. Oh!
What are you doing in my house? Dang, you teleported. Guess I gotta train before I get that guy. 20 laps already. And you for once. How'd you do that? You make things slow. Like I make things fast so I can run fast.
Well, it's quite a long story. You see, I used to be a scientist, but every time someone would ask me to do an experiment, hope I said that right, there's experiment gone wrong. And I
Spit it out.
got it wrong quite a bit, and I learned how to do stuff like bad and give people, well, not people, just me, bad powers. And I learned
Use them
about
against people
you.
and try to rule the city.
I learned about you being fast, so I made a slow power. That's basically my story.
Hey, well, can
Story
I tell you
time's
my
over, kid.
Hey, can you tell me my story?
Story time's over.
Once upon a time, I slapped you and you're dead. All right. Handle this better. Handle this. Hey, there's something wrong with my fist. Ow, can you look at it? Please look at it. I know you're a scientist. Ow, it's hurting me. There's a little thing. Oh! Yeah, well, I'm gonna go later. Hate that kid. I'm gonna go head over to Michael's house. Just I need to take this stuff off so he doesn't realize I'm Sweets. Cause I just don't wanna like let him know I'm Sweets right away. So yeah, but yep. Hopefully I get to see him. Michael Green, doctor. Michael, hello. Is anybody home? Okay, I don't think anybody's home. Well. Whoa, what's this? Science Week? Lab coat? Dr. Michael Green. Is Dr. Green the villain I've been trying to chase? Holy crap. This cannot be any real. Come on. What? He's been lying behind my back. We were best friends. What did I do to him? Except for being annoying. Holy crap. Well, I'm not annoying anymore. I'm my hero. I'm Speeds. But how? It's Dr. Green. Man. I'm gonna really show him off. Gonna confront him. Tell him I know, because I know all the facts. Tell him I figured it out. Oof. Well, this is weird, but I'm gonna get him.
Why do I owe the pleasure of you here, young man? Oh!
I know who you are. Think we made it obvious?
Oh, are you one of those gangsters?
You know who I am.
You addicted to Grand Theft Auto or something?
Dr. Green. This
Who's
is your
Dr. Green?
the villain I've been chasing my...
I'm a scientist. Look at the coat.
See what's behind
Ah!
See what's behind the coat. Thought so. Yes. Exactly. You're gonna pay for all you did. This time you better not teleport like this time.
We'll see.
Come on, you teleported again. You gotta be kidding me. I failed. Failed to get lucky. Teleported with her. I gotta find him and break him. I think I have an idea where he teleported next.
You're going to my house. It's way better than the dump you already live in. I don't know where your brother is, but you might just be with me for today.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to get Loki. I'm gonna have to get her. Alright, this is so messed up. Well, it's only me here, so I guess I do have a lot of time to think. Alright, think. Wait, I technically know where he lives, because he's at Michael's house, because he is Michael. Okay, that's pretty good. That's a good start. So he has Loki there. Okay, this is perfect. I'm gonna go get him, teach him a lesson, show him not to mess with me, or Loki, or my other cat Thor. This is why. See, I'm Speeds. I can pretty much do it. I can do it. I can do it because I'm Speeds. Ha. Well, yeah. Take that, Dr. Green. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to pretend I'm a police officer. I'm going to put you in jail for about 2 weeks, and then I'm going to have Scully bail you out, okay? All right, bye.
Oh, what if he has her in his house? Storm house. Oh, I'm about to go find out. No one's. Oh. I'm dizzy.
woke up already, yeah?
Yeah. Wait, super punchy. I got him down! Got you. Stay down. There.
Is this your cat?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Don't worry, I won't tell anyone.
Thanks.
He assaulted me.
He deserved it.
See him? He
Take him
assaulted
away.
me.
Let's go.
It's not fair. He assaulted
Bye.
me. What did I do?
Better start recording for speeds.
Yeah! That's how we roll, dummy. Alright, let's go to the bed, Thor. And watch some TV. Yeah, you're gonna have to go find her. Let her know I'm back and okay. Yeah, you locked him in jail. Whoa, what is that?
Hello, Speeds. I know that you put my brother in jail. I also know where you live. So, I'm going to be your new arch nemesis. Bye-bye.
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up in this